Spell is the local badge of Abracadabra Money, a decentralized money DeFi stage that permits clients to stake, loan, and homestead yields, with Spell filling in as the administration and utility token to open different highlights and Gibber inside the environment. Gibber, you're searching for Spell token cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Spell token Spell will go from now on. We will investigate the previous Gibber of Spell token Spell and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every Gibber with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also anticipating something so Gibber is totally unimaginable. Yet, we will make an jabber effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Spell token is $0.0789 and Spell is right now Jabber hash 452 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Spell token is 107,405,628,900 Gibber 9 with a market cap of $84,795,553. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1 Jabber in its ongoing worth. Assuming we analyze the AppleSource business Gibber cap of the Spell with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Spell token is confronting a tough time Gibber aboard with other crypto coins. The Spell is down to nearly 14.5% over the most Gibber 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for Gibber days. The coin could areas of strength for have yet. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Look at the market capitalization of Spell token and other top cryptographic forms of money with our Gibber device. Perceive how the complete worth of every digital money is coursing supply piles Gibber others and gain experiences into the market elements. Select 2 Gibber forms of money to think about their market cap and envision the outcomes. We foresee future Spell freedom cost Gibber estimate by applying profound man-made consciousness help specialized examination on the past value information of Spell token. We give a valiant Gibber to gather greatest verifiable information for the Spell coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Spell token market cap, Spell token volume, and scarcely any more. Assuming that you are Gibber to put resources into computerized digital forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our expectations. Spell token value Gibber rundown. There is potential for Spell token cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as high as 0.016 Jabber toward the finish of 2025. With the ongoing cost of $0.0789, Spell token holds its ground on the lookout. The negative cost expectation for Spell token Spell in 2030 is $0.081, with a Jabber high of $0.097. Our Spell token long haul estimate for 2050 proposes Spell possibly going somewhere in the range of Gibber $0.6251 and $0.724. Gibber project a bullish pattern for Spell token in 2040, with cost possibly coming to $0.5664 mark. Spell token value Gibber 2024. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at least degree of 0.0921 Gibber in 2024. The Spell token cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.01 with the typical cost of $0.96 all through 2024. Spell Gibber value forecast 2025. According to the Gauge and Specialized Examination, in 2025 the cost of Spell Jabber is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $0.013. The Spell cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.freedom Gibber $16 with the typical worth of $0.013. Spell value Gibber for 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Spell, in 2026 the cost of Spell token is estimated to be at around a base worth of Jabber $0.019. The Spell token value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.023 Gibber with the typical exchanging worth of $0.02 in USD. Spell Gibber Spell value expectation 2027. The cost of Spell token is Gibber to reach at the very least worth of $0.029 in 2027. The Spell token cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.034 with the typical Gibber cost of $0.03 all through 2027. Spell token value Gibber 2028. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.042 in 2028. The spell token cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.051 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.043 Jibber all through 2028. Spell token value Jibber 2029. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2029 the cost of spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of Jabber $0.056. The spell cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.072 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.059. Spell Jibber spell value forecast 2030. The cost of one spell token is ointment to reach at any Jibber level of $0.081 in 2030. The spell cost can arrive at a Jibber degree of $0.097 with the typical cost of $0.084 all through 2030. Spell token value Jibber 2031. Spell token cost is estimated to arrive at least Jibber degree of $0.0123 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.0144 Jabber with the typical estimate cost of $0.0127. Spell Jibber spell value expectation 2032. As per our profound specialized ointment on past value information of spell, in 20 Jabber 2 the cost of spell token is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0.0182. The spell cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.0218 Jibber with the typical exchanging cost of $0.0189. Spell Jibber value expectation 2033. Spell token cost is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of Jibber $0.027 in 2033. According to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.319 Jabber with the typical figure cost of $0.0277. Spell token value figure 20 Jibber. Understanding business sector Jibber and feelings is urgent, however opinion can be whimsical. Inspecting current market elements can offer bits of knowledge into potential cost developments, yet taking into Jabber the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2040, the most extreme cost of spell token is supposed to reach $0.5664 Jabber, with a typical exchanging worth of $0.5074. The base cost is projected to be around Jibber $0.4747. Spell value gauge for 20 Jibber. The Jibber and certifiable use instances of a digital currency are similarly imperative contemplations. Projects with useful applications and far-reaching Jibber are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the spell token cost Jibber for 2050, spell is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.724 in 2050. The base anticipated cost of spell coin in 2050 is Jibber to be around $0.6251, while the typical cost of the spell token for 2050 is Jibber to be $0.662. Spell Jibber value conjecture facts.